Every year, lakhs of Indian students grapple with the ultimate dilemma. Should I stay and study in India or chase my dreams abroad? In 2025, with over 1.8 million Indian students already studying overseas, which is a high record, this choice is more thrilling than ever. From skyrocketing scholarships and evolving visa policies to affordable accommodation options, shifting lifestyle, and hidden cost. Today, we, the Student Helpline, are diving deep into the real picture to help you decide. And the best part, you are not alone in navigating this maze. The Student Helpline is your 24/7 partner, guiding you every step from scholarships and visas to accommodation and beyond towards your dream university abroad. So buckle up and stay till the end, because by the time this video wraps, you'll have a sharp vision of whether India or abroad fits your goal in 2026. Let's jump in. Studying in India offers unbeatable perks like affordability, cultural familiarity, and staying close to family. But let's be real, the hurdles are massive. Jam-packed classrooms, car seats in top institutes, brutal competition, and limited global exposure. Flip to abroad and it's a game changer. Universities in hotspots like Canada, the USA, UK, Germany, and Australia boast cutting-edge infrastructure, research-focused programs, and doors to worldwide industries. Think AI labs in Germany or sustainable tech hubs in Australia. Opportunities are exploding in 2026. Take the IITs or IIMs in India. Dream school, but with acceptance rate under 1% among millions competing. Abroad, hundreds of top-ranked universities welcome international talent with diverse majors, from AI and data science in the USA to green energy programs in Germany, aligning with global sustainability trends. Indian education system often rote heavy and exam centric, whereas abroad, hands-on skill building and adaptable, perfect for the job market shift towards practical expertise. Now, the elephant in the room, cost. In India, tuition at most university runs from rupees 1 to 5 lakh per year, plus living expenses around rupees 10,000 to 25,000 monthly. And abroad, tuition can hit from rupees 12 lakh to 30 lakhs annually depending on the country. For example, USA undergrad rupees 12 lakh to 25 lakh, and Germany often free. But hold up, it's not as daunting as it sounds. With scholarships exploding in 2026, like Australia's 20% increase in fully funded options for South Asian, or DAD grants in Germany, over 60% Indian students snag financial aid, plus part-time job, which is 20 to 24 hours per week in most countries, and post-grad work visas make it a smart investment. Factors in accommodation too, often overlooked but crucial. On campus terms, in USA, it is rupees 6 lakh to 12 lakh per year, including utilities. Off campuses, in UK, it is rupees 5 lakh to 10 lakh per year. Or homestays for cultural immersion in Australia, it is rupees 4 lakh to 8 lakh per year. Compare that to India's hostels at rupees 50,000 to 2 lakh per year, and abroad setup often include perks like meal plans to ease the budget. Visas, the thrill of this new update. Canada tightened rules, rejecting 80% of Indian apps among cap, while Australia set a 2,70,000 student limit with higher financial proof. The UK banned family visas for most students but boosted scholarship. USA paused some interviews but remained a powerhouse for STEM. Germany, visa friendly and rising fast as a top pick. The key, solid prep avoids rejection, strong academics, funds proof, and genuine intent. Career-wise, this is where abroad shines brighter than ever. India's fresh grads average rupees 4 to 7 lakh starting salary annually, and abroad skyrocket to rupees 40 to 60 lakh or more in tech and AI roles, with USA MBAs hitting rupees 1.2 to 1.5 CR including bonuses. Why? Built-in internship, networking, and post-study visas. In 2025, fields like AI, data science, healthcare, and green jobs are exploding. Think renewable energy roles in Europe and AI ethics in the US, with demand up to 30% for Indian talent. Drop in the comments what's your target: AI widgetry, business mogul, healthcare hero, or eco-innovator. These sectors are booming globally, and studying abroad plants you smack in the middle, with 70% of returnees reporting killer networks and skills. Reality check, challenges lurk, visa hurdles, paperwork nightmares, SOP LOR stress, scholarships hunt, and accommodation hunts can overwhelm. Dodgy agent, a total trap. But here's your lifeline. The Student Helpline cuts through it all. We handle everything: country or courses pick, flawless SOP LORs, scholarship apps, and even accommodation scouting. From budget dorms to shared flats, plus pre-departure trips and on-arrival support. Real wins? Thousands trust us. Ria from Delhi, 50% UK scholarship for business. Arjun from Dehradun, tuition-free engineering in Germany. Priya, masters to PR in Canada. Is your story next? Why us? We go end to end, beyond admissions to visas, scholarships, accommodation, and 24/7 queries. Transparent, no hidden fees, 1,000+ successes, sky high visa approval. Studying in India or abroad in 2026 isn't about which is better, it's better for you. The world brims with chances, and the Student Helpline is your 24/7 ally for scholarships, visas, accommodation, and more. Stick to India's competitive grind or leap into global horizons. With us, you are not just enrolling, you are launching a powerhouse future. Don't delay. Hit the link below, snag your free session, and let's craft your epic journey together. See you next time.